Edison apartment.
What does it say it's going up?
Oh, it just parks down here.
There's water.
Is the pit flooded?
Yep.
Is that water dripping from underneath the car?
I think so.
Nice.
Very basic. Come on, it's It's probably an Alice. I'm sure every single one of them here looks exactly like this.
Lantern in the back.